itself. Plus,
it's like a train coming down the track and you want to pull the child to safety and you're kind of handcuffed.
Local doctors say they are backed into a corner, the new number of measles cases here in Nevada.
and singing time away, the group that is going viral after their flight was delayed on the tarmac. We'll have that ahead.
Welcome to a brighter morning. This is 8 News Now with Kirsten Joyce, Sherry Swentz, and Brian Loftus.
And a good Wednesday morning to you. I'm Kirsten Joyce.
And I'm Brian Loftus.
And I'm Sherry Swentz.
That group had the right attitude, huh?
Yeah,
when
they
you're delayed
did.
on the tarmac.
What are you going to do?
I've seen some different non-singing, non-positive attitudes.
Yeah.
One time we were de-icing in Chicago for about 2 hours.
Ugh.
Wasn't a delightful crowd.
No.
People were over it.
I can imagine.
Hey, thanks for all this weather.
Boy, you're so welcome. What'd you do yesterday out in the fun?
Took a walk, went on a jog, just trying to soak it in because it's not 112.
Well, and it's not going to last forever because we're still in winter, but gosh, this is a nice stretch of some spring-like weather.
Good job.
And it looks like it's going to continue at least for the rest of the week, so wait till you see the numbers. They're only going to go a little bit higher each day.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, 401 right now, there is a new case of the measles in southern Nevada, making it the second one of this year.
But before that, no one in the valley had had the disease since January of 2011. Petrania went to a local pediatrician, and he said he's one of many doctors frustrated with parents who don't vaccinate their children.
Okay, beautiful. Let's see this guy. All right.
At Dr. Harold Naiman's pediatrics office,
And your nose.
kids get measles shots every day, but he does run into parents who refuse to get their children vaccinated, and that puts him in a difficult spot.
It's tough. I mean, it's like a train coming down the track and you want to pull the child to safety and you're kind of handcuffed.
Dr. Naiman says getting the measles vaccine can protect you by up to 97%. It's a shot he never received as a child, and he experienced firsthand what this highly contagious disease could do.
It's very unpleasant. The light bothers your eyes. You're coughing. You get this itchy rash that's spreads from the back of your neck.
At the Southern Nevada Health Clinic, free vaccinations, including those for measles, are offered for low-income children. Chief Health Officer Joseph Iser says in Nevada schools, state law lets parents opt out their kids from getting vaccinated for medical or religious reasons. But that's not his recommendation.
Even measles, which many people think are relatively benign, can result in death. And it may not be your child, but it could be your child.
Beautiful. Okay.
Dr. Naiman says he's always on the lookout for measles symptoms because patients can be contagious days before developing a rash. He says the vaccine is safe and effective, but not everyone sees it that way.
It's not clear to me why it doesn't follow science.
Health experts do say most measles cases in the U.S. now are brought in by infected people from other countries. And that's why an international city like Las Vegas is always susceptible.
Thank you, Petrania. Measles has been in the spotlight since December after an outbreak started in Disneyland. Now there are more than 100 cases spanning across 14 different states.